All beings are impermanent and die. Haven't you heard about the people who died in the past? Haven't you seen any of your relatives die? Don't you notice that we grow old? Chased by temporary circumstances, tied by the rope of dualistic fixation, exhausted by the river of desire, caught in the web of sarnsaric existence, held captive by the tight shackles of karmic ripening. Even when the tidings of the Dharma reach you, you still cling to diversions and remain careless. Is it that death doesn't happen to people like you? I pity all sentient beings who think in this way. The Guru said, when you keep in mind the misery of dying, it becomes clear that all activities are causes for suffering, so give them up. Cut all ties, even the smallest, and meditate in solitude on the remedy of emptiness. Nothing whatsoever will help you at the time of death.